The new and improved ACR3 proves Brisk Heat continues to offer cutting-edge technology in hot bonders and composite curing solutions. With an 8.4-inch full-color touchscreen, integrated dual vacuum system, built-in USB, and rugged design, it's the easiest-to-use hot bonder in the world. The full-color touchscreen provides an interface that is easy to navigate for both the advanced and novice user. The built-in dual vacuum provides both an electric pump and Venturi vacuum system for each zone. The ACR3 makes pulling a vacuum faster and easier than ever before. Available in both a single and dual zone configuration, the units are enclosed in a weatherproof, shock-resistant case. The built-in wheels and a telescoping handle make the ACR3 easy to transport across a hangar or around the world. The standard USB port makes cure result data transfer quick and easy. Simple analysis and quality control on your PC is made easy with no special software or cables required. Audible and visual alarms for high and low, temperature and vacuum limits allow the user to multitask while curing takes place. Each zone has the capacity for up to 10 J-type thermocouples for accurate temperature and process control. With everything you need to complete your process, the ACR3 is the most advanced complete package the market has to offer. The best solution to your composite curing application. The Brisk Heat ACR3 Hot Bonder. An easier, better cure. Contact us today about your application. Log on to www.briskheat.com or call us at 1-800-848-7673.